Swati. I think a big round of applause and thanks is due to this wonderful group of talented people who yeah. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to take a few minutes when this group of artists take a break for Siddharth to walk us through what are the new products that Get It has now launched, or our existing products that we have refreshed and made more powerful and more meaningful to users and advertisers in the emerging media. I think I will not take more details out of what Siddharth will be talking to us about. So let me invite Siddharth to walk us through a couple of slides of information. And please be assured that the program continues. We are going to take a few moments when they take a breather and we'll be back with them. Siddharth, our Chief Operating Officer, may I call him on the stage, please?
That's it. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, very good evening and thank you very much for being here this evening with us. As the Chief Executive Officer of Get It, it gives me great pleasure in welcoming you all once again and also taking this opportunity to talk a little bit more about Get It and what you can expect from us going forward. So we have a little presentation which I would like to walk you through, so please bear with us for a few minutes. We're launching a variety of new services in the Kerala market. Starting from Calicut, we went down to Trivandrum. Today we are in Cochin. We are going to be launching some very exciting services in the market. As Dinesh explained a little while earlier, it's been close to 20 years since we first came into the Cochin market. 20 years we have served the businesses and consumers in this market through our Yellow Pages products, our information products, telephone books, working closely with the official telephone telcos, the telephone companies to bring out their products, and it's been a very satisfying journey. However, as you can see on the board, life is changing. Life is changing not only for businesses, but also for consumers, because today there are too many questions. Each and every person is running, trying to find right answers. Is there convenient ways in which they can find right answers? Can life be simple anymore? The Yellow Pages book, which you see, was actually the very first search engine. Think about it. All of the search that one needed to do to buy products and services was satisfied by our books. But that's the sort of search of the past. The search of the future is going to be through devices which are going to be handheld, etc. Many, many years have passed between these two devices. You know, the printed book and the mobile phone on which everything is going to be available shortly. Add to this social media. We all hear about companies like Facebook, Twitter, Foursquare, etc. And add to this complexity the 700 million mobile phone users in India, 30 to 40% of whom are going to access the internet for the first time through their mobile devices. It's an important market, and for all of you gentlemen and ladies who run businesses of your own, it's an important market to understand and to be able to capture, because that is where our customers, the end users, are moving towards. So quite literally, the future will lie in the fingertips, in the palms of our hands. And as you will see, our new branding, our new logos signify very simply that the future is going to be in your fingertips. So here is what we are doing. We had a service called Get It Now, which was also operational in the Cochin and Kerala markets. We are rebranding it as a Call Get It service. It is much more powerful. 24/7, it will intend and endeavor to provide right answers. Right answers to consumers about your businesses. right answers to consumers about finding the right suppliers to meet their daily needs. Be it auto components, tours and travels, healthcare, real estate, electronics, furniture, education, building, construction, industrial equipment, machinery, energy, power, gensets, safety, security, movers, packers, be it any category, we will now make sure that better information, deeper information is provided to the end users through our services just by dialing 444-4444 24/7, the new Call Get It service. In addition, we are launching, probably for the first time, certainly for the first time in India, but probably for the first time in the world, a classified ad service, absolutely free of cost, on the phone, which is called Get It Free Ads. Again, on the same number, 7 times 4, any consumer can call and place ads to buy or sell cars, automobiles, rent property, find houses, rent houses, find jobs, offer jobs, employ people, buy, sell mobile phones, laptops, PCs, furniture, anything, just by dialing a simple number, which is 444-4444. This service is also, both these services are also available online on our websites, on our mobile sites, etc., which we will talk more about in the coming days. And we will want to make sure that we service these markets in which we are operating so well that your customers can find you with ease, irrespective of the medium they use. So these services across print, mobile phones, online, and through operator-assisted services allow us to target the entire market of 750 million users across this country. We are ourselves operational in close to 40 cities, and we are going to have pan-Kerala coverage to be able to make sure that your customers can find you with ease. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. It's been a pleasure having you all with us this evening. And I would now hope that the program continues as soon as the artists get back from the short break. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.